Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.